Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw credits in Adobe Premiere Pro via subscription updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing credits in Adobe Premiere Pro, ensure you are logged into your Adobe account. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Navigate to the Help menu located in the top menu bar. Select Manage My Account from the drop-down. This action will open your Adobe account page in your web browser. In the Account Overview, find the Plans section. Here, you will see your current subscription details. Look for the option that mentions credits or rewards. Click on this option to view your available credits. If you have credits available for withdrawal, there will be an option to redeem or withdraw them. Follow the on-screen instructions to process your withdrawal. Choose the payment method you prefer for receiving your credits. Confirm the transaction details. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification about the status of your withdrawal. Keep in mind that the processing time may vary based on your chosen payment method. Make sure to check your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal. After a few days, verify your payment or credit status by returning to your account page. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Adobe support for assistance. You have now successfully withdrawn credits in Adobe Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.